Hello, Arlie Russell, Silver Arizona, Fort Huachuca, Arizona, just around the corner. I want to point out the stolen technology and devices. Why do these? Listen to that. Sounds normal, right? Now, sounds like a jet, right? Yeah, sounds like a jet. You hear it? Fuck yeah. They turned it down. Why? Because I'm putting this online. It's stolen technology, stolen devices, compliments of Fort Huachuca, Arizona, Sierra Vista. Listen to them. Yeah. Sounds like a jet. They don't want to make the noise now because, well, hell, you hear it? Sounds just like a jet. Why? Because that's technology the United States Army, I'm pretty sure, uses in Iraq and Iran. Now, these yahoos, we're going to drive off our nation.